Comrades, one of the most important aspects of why there needs to be a change is in the governance of the country itself. The people of Jamaica have lost all confidence in the ethical and moral foundation of this government. They have been seen to be ripping and running off nepotism, cronyism, so many scandals, and the very institution that is tasked with ensuring accountability and probity in the public affairs of the country, they're trying to dismantle it. They're trying to dismantle the FID as well as the Integrity Commission by appointing persons who are not qualified and persons who have a clear conflict of interest and should not even be putting themselves forward for the position. And comrades, somebody sent me something tonight which I want to share with you because I thought it was quite significant. I'm going to read it. Happy Father's Day, comrade leader. I had a very interesting discussion with a friend of mine who is 81. He has voted for the Jamaica Labour Party for 4 decades. And his view is that not only is the JLP corrupt, but democracy is at stake. I am not voting for either the PNP nor the JLP. I am voting for Jamaica, and therefore I will vote for the PNP. So this JLP supporter is saying if he is going to choose Jamaica, and he intends to choose Jamaica, he'll choose Jamaica by voting for the People's National Party. And I say to all well-thinking Jamaicans, whether you are the PNP, JLP or no P, all well-thinking Jamaicans, we cannot afford to have our democracy dismantled by this government because they are running scared. They know the wrongs they have committed and they want to ensure that they are never held accountable for it. And Jamaica cannot afford to allow the hard-won gains of democracy, of freedom, of decency that our founding fathers and our forefathers fought so hard for to be dismantled and sacrificed on the altar of corruption and nepotism under this government. So you have to choose change. You have to choose a government that will put the people first and will ensure that the resources that are for the people are used only for the people and not for themselves and their friends. That will protect the institutions of accountability in the country, will not interfere with them, and will ensure they're adequately resourced and further strengthen them. The Integrity Commission is a case in point. I was the person who brought the Integrity Commission legislation to Parliament. I was the person who put together the panel of experts that developed the legislation based on international best practices around the world. I am fully committed to ensuring its independence and that it has the tools it needs to hold people accountable.